What's up guys, Presley Yong here, back for another video. And Apple has released iOS 14.5 Beta 2 to the developers and soon to the public. Maybe it's already in the public already, we might not know, or maybe it's tomorrow. Now, at first I expect a 14.4.1 for a minor update for fixing some small bug issues. And I think Apple has chose to release a beta instead, so I believe that Apple might want to release a major 14.5, or maybe we might see 14.4.1 and maybe tomorrow or day after, because as you know, there's an issue with the green tin issue on the iPhone 12 and it has to be fixed, and then a lot of people say it cannot be fixed, but I believe that it can be fixed because the iPhone 11 has that issue and it fixed with 13.6.1 last year. So I think you should give Apple some time to do it, or maybe Apple want to like release everything all together in 14.5, which is also a good thing. Well, we will see about it. Now, not only the release, they released iPadOS 14.5 iBeta 2 as well. And the build number on both of these devices is the same. If I can open it, I go and check for you. If you go to here and you can see, I won't show you, I can show you. It's 18E515154F, which is still got more betas to go. So while I believe this beta update, we might see a minor update on the iPhone of minor features, because since it has the letter on there, so it means that we need to see an E, a D, a C, a B, and A. So it means that it could be taken around require a month before they release 1.5. So during this month we might see a minor update for bug fixes, security improvement, and of course other, maybe they can solve the green tea issue by now, because right now they had to solve it right now. It took a while since the iPhone 11 release, is they also took some time to fix the issue. Even this one also fixed, they also fixed yellow tint, they fixed the green tint also. Now, what's new in this beta update? Now, the first thing is that if you actually install an iOS 14.1 beta 2, you might also install watchOS 7.3 to actually use the iPhone unlock 7.4 to unlock the feature like unlock phone when you're wearing a mask on if you own an Apple Watch. Now the Apple Watch actually has a new interface when you on this. Now I didn't install because this is my primary device. I will not do it, but I can tell you what it looks like. It looks like I on top you say you unlock using Apple Watch, but on top isn't there an iPhone logo with the lock button, which unlock the lock button, which is actually telling you you already unlock, and there's a prompt that you can tell you to lock the device if you are not supposed. Let's say is that it's unlocked by Apple Watch, but it's like no, I'm not gonna do it, then you can just lock the device. Now the next one feature is that if you go to accessibility, it's not available in here, but I can tell you where is it. If you go to accessibility and then when you scroll down, there's a one word called headphones notification. So I think Apple has switched their notification for safety warning on this device. The next feature is that is emergency alert, means emergency call. When you go to that part, I don't want to go, I don't want later I click something wrong and then something happened. The emergency button, there's a new feature. It means that it will, if you, the emergency will alert on silent, so it means that if phone's on silent, it will not vibrate. So I think this is actually a very good feature. This case, if you're in the situation that you're in the bad situation in school, or maybe something happened, with that feature in the silent emergency alert button, it can prevent and the other and those bad guys prevent anything in to know your location. It's a good thing you can and have a silent emergency. So when you click it, it's silent, it will not make the sound. It's also a good thing about it, and hopefully Android will also do that, the same thing as well. So, and of course the next one is the new software. So if you go to software update, you can see it's 14.4 software update, but there's one new prompt right here. If you go 14.5 or you update this version, iOS 14.4 software, your iOS is up to date. Instead of software up to date, it's called iOS up to date. So that's something new about it. And yeah, and of course, is there any fixes? I'm not sure because it's not 14.5 beta 2, but we know it's a beta and it can be have bugs that cannot be fixed. So yeah, that's a beta. Keep that in mind. So should you install 14.5 beta 2 if it's on primary device? Nope, not gonna happen, because it may break your device, it may prevent your apps from opening, and that's the problem. And of course, this beta update, it caused the MagSafe you cannot show the prompt logo, so yeah, don't install it. If it's on secondary device, you can go and check it out, and that's why I have secondary device called iPadOS, so I could do it in another video on that. So on the iPad and on the iOS, if you got iOS secondary device, you can go install and check it out whether some parts has been fixed, your apps can be open. Feel free to go check it out and comment down below whether it works on your secondary device. So yeah, that's about it on iOS 14.5 iBeta 2. Oh, now before I end this video, in my tech channel, I'm also doing gaming live stream, so that people know that I also do live stream. If people, because some people might feel weird, or how come doing tech and suddenly there's a game stream out of nowhere. Actually, I'm doing both tech and gaming live stream. I might also do a gaming review if I'm interested in, then I'll talk about it. And yeah, that's about it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.